Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your game language in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, just press Escape on your keyboard, which will bring up the game menu, and then click on the gear icon, which is your settings menu. And once you're in the settings menu, click on language. Now, under language, you'll see an option called game language. Click on the arrow right next to it, like so, and it will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, you can choose any language of your preference. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!